Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how to install an SSL certificate using Let's Encrypt on your Namecheap web hosting. Visit certbot.eff.org in your web browser. On the first drop-down, select Other, while on the second drop-down, from the second drop-down, select Windows. Scroll down to where the Windows installation file is located and click the link to download the file. Open the installer and select Yes to allow admin privileges. Follow the prompts to install the file. Click Finish to exit the installation file. Next, open Certbot. Type in the Certbot command to initiate the process. Enter the domain names. Follow the prompts to deploy the DNX TST record. To do this, we have to log into the cPanel. Okay, it has been added, so now we're going to check if it's available. To check if it has finished deploying, enter the following address in your browser. Is available now. The next step, press enter to continue. The next step is to create a file containing this data. So copy this data, open your notepad, and save it with this file name After saving it, close the file and change the file name by removing the extension. Remove this txt.txt extension and press yes. Next step, go into cPanel and paste this file in this folder .wellknown/acme challenge. So let's go there now. cPanel, .wellknown folder is a hidden file, so ensure that your hidden files are displayed by clicking settings and clicking on show hidden files. So .wellknown is a hidden folder, an Acme challenge. So we're going to put that file there, the file we just created here. We're going to put it here. So upload, select file, show all files. And open. And then press enter to continue. The certificate has been saved. The next step is to apply the certificate to the domain. So to do that, visit cPanel, click on Tools, scroll down to SSL. Click on Manage SSL Sites. Select a domain. And visit the place where your SSL files have been stored, your SSL certificates. So paste it there and open the private key. And paste it there and click install certificates. So it's all successfully installed. So now we can test the certificates. Okay, so we're going to visit the site now. Okay, so it's showing. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you receive more videos like this one. Thank you and have a nice day.